I also want to take a look at Pinterest here because we just got numbers from them, and that stock is also under pressure, looking at a drop of just about 7% here. Revenue coming in better than expected, $602.6 million. EPS looks like it was also a beat, but average revenue per user, that was actually declined on a quarterly basis here, dropping just about 1%, also slightly missing the street's expectations here. The company also saying that it does see 2Q revenue growth in line with the past quarter, the first quarter here and the fourth quarter. So that guidance there could be one of the reasons why we're looking at shares under pressure here for Pinterest. And also when you take a look at some of their global monthly active users numbers, that did increase by just about 7%. But again, Pinterest obviously has also been weighed down by weakness in the advertising market. So Pinterest and Snap both declining today.
Is this Mark Zuckerberg appreciation moment? I mean, listen,
He didn't say AI
they have been, everyone talks about the year of efficiency, but truly it was the year of engagement. If you look at their quarterly report, their engagement numbers were up across the board. And now we're looking at Pinterest and Snap in the same environment struggle. Yeah, I'm taking.
So it's interesting. No, sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off there, but it's interesting that you bring up engagement. And I meant to bring this up when I was doing this report. But Brian Sozzi actually spoke with the CEO of Pinterest, Bill Ready, and he did say they were seeing progress when it does come to engagement. What he exactly said was that they do see strong engagement trends, and that engagement with users is growing pretty well. So that, of course, you think would be good here.
But it's not the
same
same level as Meta.
But he also went on, yes, it's not the same level as Meta. Meta is huge, though, when you take a look at how far behind Pinterest
this is an ad struggle.
So it's an ad struggle, and I think that certainly is
one
the story
Google
when it
did
comes
not
to
see.
Pinterest. One Google did not see to the degree, and I also think that I think a lot of these questions will also be answered on the earnings call as well. Once we hear from Bill Ready, the CEO there at Pinterest, once we hear from Evan Siegel over at Snap, just in terms of exactly what they are seeing currently in the advertising market. But I think the big question here is how quickly potentially we could see some sort of recovery.
Right, but we are certainly seeing the tale of two different types of tech, right? You have the Meta, who is just really outperforming and figuring out how to capitalize and monetize on its both brand awareness and brand strength in the ad sector. And Snap also said they're blaming some of it on disruptions to upgrades that it made to its platform that it sells ads on. So that was, I guess, some of the challenge there. But, you know, the street certainly giving Snap a thumbs down in response to that report card. I mean, it's counter to what we just saw yesterday from Meta. And I mean, look, Meta definitely once upon a time wanted a piece of Snap. So, you know, Snap is paying for not falling into that fold. Again, certainly seeing a tale of two types of tech in the tech sector.